In this video, we will show you how to merge cells in Excel. To merge cells in Excel, there is two easy way. Okay. First in here, I will create some border. To merge the cell in Excel, for example, we merge the rows. Okay. We can click this, merge and center. Okay. Also, for the same, for example, we need to merge cells for column like this. We can also doing like this, or just using another method. We right click and select format cell and select alignment. You can merge cells with the right click. You have another option like setting to fit, and you can also change the text direction. Okay, you can see there, and you can do whatever may be the best for you for text control. Okay, you can click OK after that. When you typing the text, it's look like this. Okay, this is with text direction. And that's all. How you can merge cell in Excel using easy way, using this on the home tab. Okay, or using right click and select format cell and choose alignment and choose merge cells. You can adjust the orientation about text control. Hope this video helpful for you.